Ever feel like your finances are a confusing mystery? You're not alone. Between hidden fees, sneaky subscriptions, and just plain bad spending habits, keeping track of your money can feel like cracking a code. Building context. That's where budgeting apps come in. They're supposed to be your financial guardian angel, helping you see where your money goes and make smarter choices. But with so many options out there, how do you know which one to trust? Today, we're diving deep into one of the fastest growing budgeting apps on the market, Snoop. Introducing Dame Jane Ngadia. But before we dissect the app's features, let's talk about the mastermind behind it. Snoop wasn't created by some faceless tech corporation. It's the brainchild of Dame Jane Ngadia, a powerhouse in the financial world. Ngadia's background. If the name rings a bell, it's for good reason. Dame Jane N was the CEO of Virgin Money, a major financial institution. She's known for her innovative approach to banking and her dedication to financial inclusion. So, why take her expertise and create a budgeting app? Ngadia's vision. Dame Jane N saw a gap in the market. Traditional banks often felt impersonal and overwhelming, leaving people struggling to manage their finances. She envisioned Snoop as a friendly, accessible tool that empowers everyone, regardless of background, to take control of their money. The Snoop team. Of course, Dame Jane N isn't a one-woman show. Snoop is backed by a team of talented individuals with diverse expertise in finance, technology, and design. You can find the whole crew, from developers to marketing whizzes, on the Snoop website, snoop.app. About us. How does Snoop work? Alright, so we've met the brains behind the app, but how does it actually work? Snoop uses secure open banking technology to connect to your bank accounts. This gives you a central view of your finances, showing you your income, expenses, and spending patterns. Snoop's features. But Snoop goes beyond just showing you the numbers. It uses that information to help you make smarter decisions. Here are some of its cool features. Smart alerts. Get notified about upcoming bills, low balances, and unusual spending activity. Budgeting tools. Set spending goals and track your progress towards them. Subscription tracker. Identify and manage hidden subscriptions that drain your wallet. Saving tips. Snoop analyzes your spending and suggests areas where you can cut back and save. Snoop versus competitors. Now, Snoop isn't the only budgeting app on the block. So, what makes it stand out? Here's a quick comparison. Focus on user experience. Snoop prides itself on being user-friendly and easy to navigate, unlike some competitors with a cluttered interface. Security first. Security is paramount when it comes to your finances. Snoop uses industry-standard security measures to keep your data safe. Transparency. Snoop is upfront about its fees and doesn't bombard you with hidden costs. Is Snoop right for you? Is Snoop the budgeting app for you? Well, that depends on your needs. If you're looking for a user-friendly, secure app with helpful features to get your finances in check, then Snoop is definitely worth checking out. Who shouldn't use Snoop? However, if you're already a budgeting pro with a complex financial setup, Snoop might not offer the advanced features you need. So, there you have it. We've unmasked the minds behind the Snoop app and explored what it has to offer. Remember, taking control of your finances is a journey, and Snoop can be a valuable companion on that path. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.